Hello all, welcome back to the channel. I'm Beer 40 Tech. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. I am back in this 2020 Expedition, the one that was having the steering concern, and it was the front camera needed alignment. Show you what I did here. So driving down the road, I had to be on a road where, the lines could actually be seen by the front camera. And I've already calibrated it. It didn't take very long at all. IPMA, which is the image processing module A, and I've already done it. Confirmed that the front camera malfunction indicator has gone off the dash, which it has. Confirmed the front camera and or lane keeping system are functioning properly, which they are. There is a wrench light on because I programmed something else a minute ago, but see these lines right here? That's the lane keeping system, and when it was on, when you move over in a lane, it would only turn yellow. And then after I just reprogrammed the front camera, now when I move over in a lane unattendedly, it turns red, which is what it's supposed to do. It is not pulling anymore. It's not trying to pull me out of a lane. And it's recommended that you carry out the self-test to identify any DTCs that may be present. So I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to hit continue. And I can't do that right now, but I'll take it back to the shop because I don't have any internet out here where I'm at. Okay, I'm back. I am connected to the network again. Continue. Application finished. Continue. So now, clear and retest. Awesome. See manual. Let's see what the wrench light's for. Oh, the wrench light's off. I think I just had image processing module A selected. And yeah, see there's nothing here. And I turned the key off and turned it back on. Yeah, everything's good. Yeah, we're good. We're good. So that was the problem. The front camera needed to be aligned. And the thing drives straight as can be now. Love you guys. And I'll see you on the next one.